Welcome back. See the next problem from the velocity time diagram. The velocity time graph of body is given below. Find the average velocity from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 40. In this case, in this graph, we have to find out the average velocity from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 40. What is the average velocity? Average velocity is displacement divided by total time required. Total displacement divided by total time required to cover the distance. How to determine the displacement or distance covered? Displacement or distance covered is equal to area under the graph. So first of all, we have to determine the displacement means area under the graph. Now, split this region under the graph into suitable forms. Make AP perpendicular on x-axis, BQ, CR, these are the perpendiculars on the time axis or x-axis. Options are given: 20 meter per second, 40 meter per second, 50 meter per second and 60 meter per second. The displacement is equal to area under the graph. There are 4 regions: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now calculate the area of these 3 regions. We have to determine the area of these 3 regions only, because we have to determine the average velocity up to 40 seconds. Average velocity up to 40 seconds. यहाँ तक ही निकालना है, यहाँ तक नहीं है. Displacement is equal to area under the graph up to t is equal to 40 second means यहाँ तक ही अपने को distance निकालना है. Area of this triangle OAP, this is the first region, plus area of this quadrilateral ABQP, rectangle ABQP, plus area of the trapezium BCRQ. Area of this triangle is half base into height, plus area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and area of this region is equal to half sum of the unequal sides into perpendicular distance between these two unequal sides. We can write half as it is. OP, say what is the distance? OP is 20. See from the graph, OP is 20 into AP is again 20, plus ABQP, area of quadrilateral ABQP means rectangle AB into AP, AB into AP. The value of AB is 10. 30 minus 20 means 10. This distance is 10. Into AP, this distance is 20. Therefore, we can write 10 into 20 plus half as it is. The value of BQ is again 20, and the value of CR is 60. Therefore, we can write here 60 into QR, again 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. Now simplify it. 20 into 2400 divided by 2 is equal to 200, plus 10 into 20 again 200, plus 20 plus 60 is 80. 80 into 10, 800. 800 divided by 2 is equal to 400. 200 plus 200 plus 400 means 800 meter. This is the distance covered in 40 seconds. Means the displacement in 40 seconds is 800 meter. We have to determine the average velocity. What is the average velocity? Distance traveled divided by total time required to cover this distance. Here the distance traveled is 800 and time required is 40 seconds. Therefore, 800 divided by 40 seconds means 20 meter per second, and which is given in option A. Therefore, answer is A. Thank you.